Hello people. So Ashish is back with a new video today. I know it's been a long time I haven't added any tutorial video, but now the videos will be coming very quick. Here I'm sharing a real scenario with you. You can assume there is a growing company, thousands of SKUs, multiple team members creating products. Everything seems fine until one day two different completely different products with the same internal reference number exist. So in this case, if I talk about Odoo native, there is no warning, there is no restriction. It has saved absolutely without any warning. But there are certain cases or there are certain industries where they want to restrict these kind of things. Odoo is not restricting it natively because there are a lot of companies who are okay with that. If the reference number is duplicating, that is fine, because they are not even giving that much importance to the internal reference number. But there are a few companies who strictly follow that each reference number should be unique. So what people generally do is they do the customization, or maybe they add any third party module which is available. But this thing can be done, or this particular use case can be achieved in Odoo without any customization, and that too very easily with very few steps. So in this video I'm going to showcase you how one can achieve that without any third party app, all native Odoo. So for that, as you can see right now, I am in the demo database. To begin with, I'll just open the debug mode. By the way, this is one way of entering into debug mode. Just write debug. Voila, there you go. Here you can see the debug mode is activated now. Now another step is we just need to enter automated actions. So here you can see automated rules are there. Just simply click on new. Now I am adding a rule here, so it will be duplicate, or maybe restrict duplicate reference number. On which model it should work? So my model would be product, because I want my products to be restricted. Trigger on, it should be triggered on create and edit. So create and edit is there. Apply, I'm not doing anything because I need all this. Okay, when updating, so this particular field is asking for which particular field should be updated, on the basis of which all these will be checked. So that will be my internal reference. So whenever changes are made in this particular field, all these actions will be like, system will see if there are any changes made in these. Yeah, you can add multiple fields as well, but for this particular video I'm just adding one internal reference field because that's all I want. We just quickly save this. Now the main part comes here. We can add an action. What I want to do this, I want to execute a code. Let me just add execute a code. So here you can see now system want me to add a code. I have written a code which I'm obviously going to share with you guys. Let me just quickly add this. Let me just save this here, and there you go. Save and close. So it is done now. Let me just save this. Now let's see if this code is working or not. So I have added product. mm, okay, let's add chips here. Let me make it track inventory references. Okay, what I'll do is chip. Just save this. Let me just quickly mm, make it as a potato chip, but reference I'm adding as same chip. If I click on save, so here you can see internal reference SKU already exists for another product, please use a unique SKU. Okay, I got it. Internal reference number chip already existing. Now Here you can see system is giving me a warning. So if I remove this and add 1 2 3, system will allow me to do it. Now let me make things more complicated, because there are a lot of consultants I have met just like me who are very much clever. So what they do is CHIP. I have added this as a case insensitive, because whatever code I have written here is case insensitive. So CHIP in uppercase or lowercase, for system it doesn't matter. So here you can see I have added CHIP. Now if I click on save, system will allow me to do so. But this is incorrect. I don't want this one. So what we can do is, let me just remove this as of now. 1 2 3. We just save this just for better use. Automated actions. This one I want to change this. Now if you want, or if you are someone for whom case sensitive internal reference also matters, so in that case what you can do is you can use this code. So I have updated the code. Let me just save this. Save. Go to products. Okay, here is my potato chip. So as you know already, CHIP exist means CHIP exist in my system. Just try to save. Okay, obviously it won't work. Now let me like CHIP save. Here you can see now case sensitive system has become case sensitive. Even your uppercase CHIP or the internal reference number won't work. So the user is forced to add a unique reference number only. This is how easy it is by using the automated actions. So we can add restrictions on this particular field. I hope this video is useful for you, and yes, I'm adding both the codes into the description. If you want, you can just copy it down from there and just paste it. I already showcased you how to do that. In case you have any queries or concerns, or maybe you have any other use cases to share, please drop the same in the comments. I'll see you in the new video. Thank you.